Hello students, welcome back to the English e-learning platform. So dear students, today we are going to learn a new poem that is Day by Day I Float My Paper Boats. So this poem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. So he is the poet of this poem, Rabindranath Tagore. So dear students, open the page number 23. Okay, there you can see the poem Day by Day I Float My Paper Boats. Okay, so dear students, before I am going to start this poem, let me introduce a brief introduction of the poet who is Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so Rabindranath Tagore, he was born on 7th May 1861 and he died at 7th August in the year of 1941. So he was a famous poet. So poet means a person who writes poems. So we say poet. Okay, so he was a famous poet, he was a well-known poet and also novelist. Novelist means a person who writes novels. Okay, we say novelist and also musician. So he composed many poems or musics or songs. Okay, and he was the first non-European. So in the Asia country, in the Asia, he was the first conferred with Nobel Prize for literature. Okay, so this is all about the today's poet, and let me read out the poem and then explain. Okay, day by day I float my paper boats. Day by day, I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big block letters, I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. I load my little boats with showy flowers from our garden and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. So, students, here day by day means every day. Day by day means every day I float my paper boats. When the poet, so I means he is here, who is I here in this? I is poet, Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so he is saying himself, I float my paper boats. So who floats his paper boats? Rabindranath Tagore floats paper boats. So when Rabindranath Tagore, when the poet was a child, I think in your age, he used to make paper boats. You also people are also children. Okay, during rainy days, when you see this stream flowing, you want to float some paper boats. Okay, some of you might have known that how to make paper boats. So the same way, this poet, when he was a boy in your age, he also likes to make paper boats. Okay, so every day he used to make paper boats when the rainy season. So and one by one down the running stream. Here, down the running stream means he floats his paper boats towards the direction in which the stream was flowing down. Okay, So stream. What is meant by stream? Stream means, let me highlight. So STREAM. Stream. Stream is a small narrow river. A small narrow river called stream. Okay. Then in big block letters, I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. So dear students, he says when he makes the paper boards, he labels the paper boards with his own name on the paper boards. Okay, with his own name and the name of his village. So where he lives. And let me switch on the next stanza. I hope. Hope means to want something to happen. Okay. I hope that someone in some strange means unusual or unfamiliar. Some strange land will find them and know who I am. So, do you know why he is writing the name of himself and his village name on paper boards? Because he wants that whosoever in the strange land find these boards in the strange land, or find these boards, should come to know that who has left them and where he lives. So he continued, I load my little boards with surely flowers from our garden and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. So dear students, the poet says that I write my name and my village name on these paper boards. Okay, so that whatever or wherever these paper boards go, whosoever sees them should come to know that who has made it and where the person from. Okay, and I load my little boards with surely flowers from our garden. Okay, so he keeps some surely flowers from his garden. So he plucks some flowers. Which flowers? Surely flowers from his garden and filled in his boards with them. Then he hopes that these blooms of the dawn. So blooms of the dawn. So blooms means early morning. Dawn means early morning. And blooms means the flowers which bloom in the morning. Okay. So he says that these flowers, surely flowers are there, no? So these flowers which bloom in the sunrise time. And he continued, will be carried there safely to land in the night. Will be carried safely to land in the night. So, students, that by the night, these flowers will be landed safely somewhere, or will go to some other land safely. So, this is the poem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. So, dear students, have you understood about this poem, today's poem? So, how the poet float his paper boat by writing his name and village name on the paper boards, and he put some surely flowers from his garden. Okay, so this is the today's poem, and I hope you have understood well. And in the next class, I will send or we will discuss this poems exercise. Okay, thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.